The next AI stock identified by Motley Fool that's being scooped up by billionaires is Amazon. This might not be the first company that you think of when it comes to artificial intelligence, but they should not be overlooked. Amazon is leveraging artificial intelligence to increase efficiency across all aspects of their e-commerce business. Think about this. Getting the right product in front of people leads to more sales, and they can use AI algorithms to curate these selections for every single customer. In addition, Amazon is cashing in on AI through AWS or Amazon Web Services. This cloud computing segment is one of the most interesting aspects of the Amazon business today, especially through the lens of artificial intelligence. In the second quarter of 2022, Bridgewater increased their Amazon position by 153%. We also saw a position increase from Citadel and Tudor Investments of 17 and 28% respectively. Amazon has many growth drivers, and the artificial intelligence component is really just the icing on the cake for their diversified business model.